Okay, welcome to the next. This is video number 3 in my review. There you couldn't hear it because there was some people making some noise, so I erased it to do it over. Maybe that's the last buzzer. I don't know. So let's read this. Okay, it costs 9,328 points to build each apartment building in the computer game Big City Building. What is the cost to build 5 apartment buildings? Show your work. So we need to find out what is the cost to build 5 apartment buildings, okay? And the numbers we're going to use is 9,328 points in 5 apartment buildings. Okay, so let's put our smallest factor first. 5 times 9,328. This is a multiplication problem. If we multiply these numbers, we will get the answer to our question. So now, as you can tell by what I've already erased, we're going to make our area model. I'm going to make it a little differently. Let's see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers in my big factor. So I need 4 spaces, 4 boxes, 4 rectangles in my area model. So my smallest factor is 9, and my largest factor in its expanded form is 9,000 plus 300 plus 20 plus 8. All right, first box. What is 5 times 9? That is 45, and I had 3 zeros. Bam. What's 5 times 300? 5 times 3 is 15, and I had 2 zeros. Bam. What's 5 times 20? 5 times 2 is 10, and I had 1 zero. What's 5 times 8? 5 times 8 is 40. Now to get my final answer, I have to take all these partial products and add them together. So I have 45,000, 1,500, 140. And look, I'm going to run into this part. 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 plus 1 is 6. 5 plus 1 is 6. Bring down that 4. I get 46,640 points. That's how much it's going to cost. I should label that, even though I'm just practicing for my test. I should get in the habit. It's going to cost a total of 46,640 points to build 5 apartment buildings. All right, that was number 8. Now let's go on to number 9, which is on the back of number 8. All right. Multiply 7 times 462 using place value and expanded form. Choose the number from the box to complete the expression. All right, so 7 times, which one is it? Is it 440 or 400? Well, when I look at my biggest factor, the 4 is in the hundreds place, so this has got to be 400. So that's my first set of parentheses, 7 times 400. Plus 7 times what? Is it 600, 60, or 6? When I look at my factor here, the 6 is in the tens place. So that's got to be 60. Plus 7 times, is it 2, is it 20, or is it 200? My 2 is in my ones place, so that has to be 2. All right, oh, look at that. Number 10 is crossed out, which means we won't be doing one like number 10. And number 11 is crossed out, which means we will not be doing one like number 11. So let's go on to number 12 in our sheet, our little math packet. There is a book sale at the library. Woohoo! The price for each book is $4. Which expression can be used to show how much money the library will make if it sells 289 books? Use the numbers on the tiles to complete your answer. So what they want to know is this. These number tiles, how can we fit them into this expression to make this true, that we can come up with a product of 4 and 289? Well, what I would do first is I would write 289 in expanded form. That way it'll make selecting the tiles easier. So right here I would need a 200 tile. Do I have one? Yes, I do. So because I'm going to use it, I'm going to mark it out. So right here in this set of parentheses, I would need an 80. Do I have that over there? I sure do. I'm going to mark it out because I'm going to use it. All right, in this last set of parentheses, I need a 9. Do I have it over there? Yep. There you go. So that is the correct answer. Those are the tiles that would have to fit in there to answer this question. Number 13 is not X'd out, but number 14 is. So number 13 will be the last one we do on this page. It says, find 8 times 397, show your work, and explain why the strategy you chose works best with the factors. Okay, well, I'm going to choose area model. 8 times, I need 3 boxes because I have 3 numbers. 397. 8 times 3 is 24. I have 2 zeros. 8 times 9 is 72. I have 1 zero. 8 times 7 is 56. I have no zeros. Now I have to add my 2,400, my 720, and my 56. I get, that's 6, whoops, 0 plus is 2, plus 7, 7 plus 4 is 11, carry my 1, 2, nothing here, plus 1 is 3, and I get 3,176. Is that correct? Yes, it is. So why does that work best with those factors? The area model works best because it breaks 397 down into more manageable chunks.